I love all things matcha, and I'm going to make matcha baked oats. So it starts with oats. I'm gonna put those into my blender with a tablespoon of coconut sugar, a teaspoon of matcha, and then a tablespoon of egg white powder, just for some protein. And then I'm going to give this a little blitz up. All right, then I'm going to add in some coconut milk. You could continue the oat theme with oat milk if you want to, but I wanted to mix it up. The coconut and matcha just really taste great together. Blend it again. Mine are going to be peach matcha baked oats. So this goes into a large mug because I'm actually going to microwave these. And then I'm going to crumble in some freeze-dried peaches. You can find these just about anywhere. You could use real peaches if you wanted, but I had these on hand and I thought that'd be kind of fun. So in that goes. I gave it just a little stir. And into my microwave, this goes for about a minute. Out of the microwave, you can put fresh peaches on top if you want, or a little bit of coconut whipped cream is what I'm gonna do, and then you can dig in. It's a really good way to get your oats. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching Taylor Kitchen. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to this YouTube channel so that you're getting the absolute latest. And also sign up via our website or via the link in the comments below so that you're getting the latest from us, because very soon we're going to be launching some live cook together events for free, and we want you to be aware so that you can participate. Also, if you have any comments, suggestions, recommendations, please leave a comment in the link below or on any of our social media website. I would love to hear from you. I would love to chat with you and love to respond. So look for Instagram, Pinterest, all the other social media channels via the link in the comments below, and leave comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.